Hey, just came back. I wanted to show you something. In one of my videos, I showed you how to clean a carburetor out. So I just cleaned this one. That's the video. And I put it back on, and the thing started up. It ran. Later on, not much later, I found out that it was flooding out. Reason it's flooding out was because the float wasn't shutting off the gas flow, so it just kept dumping gas, dumping gas. Anyway, I'm going to show you how to adjust the float really quick. And we'll set her down on the table here. And I'm going to grab another screwdriver. Okay, so I already took all 4 bolts off. Remember when you put this back together, tighten the bolts. That was another thing I forgot to do. So here's the float. Okay, you can see it bounces, but it doesn't bounce much, and it doesn't put a lot of pressure on that needle valve underneath. So this little clip right here that holds the spring to the needle valve, all I do is push it down just a touch, like that. Now, you see how it's bouncing? It's not hitting the bottom, the top of the bowl, I mean. So that, I think I got it. So what we're going to do is, before we put it all back together, I'll show you something else you can check. Push a little more. I like that better. Okay, go ahead and pause for a second. Alright, so I want to show you how to know if the float's going to shut the gas off. So I left the bowl off. I reconnected it to the gas line on the tank. I'm going to turn it on. And now you can see the gas running out. That should happen. Now if I lift this, it should stop completely before I hit the top. Okay? So I know that the gas is flowing. I know that the float apparently is shutting it off. I'm watching those drips. Those can still be a problem. So if it doesn't shut off fully, I'm going to go bend it a little bit more. But once you know that it's shut off fully, I don't see any drips right now, I'll probably put just a touch more bend on that little tab. Then you know you're good to go and you can put it back together